Hey, welcome back. In this video, let's learn how to count the digits in a number. This is a bit tricky, but the method is to keep dividing the number by 10 until it becomes 0. Let's unwrap this and see what exactly happens when we divide a number by 10. Let's pick any number, say 472. When you perform division by 10 on 472, the result is a quotient. In this case, it is 47. Notice how the last digit of 472 gets removed, leaving us with 47. Now let's take 47 as a new number and divide it by 10 again. Again, another digit gets removed from the end. Now a new number is 4. When we divide it by 10, the result becomes 0. We can't divide this number by 10 any further. Now check the count of divisions we performed. It's 3. The count of digits in the original number is also 3. So basically, the number of times we can divide a number by 10 is equal to the count of digits in that number. Let's code this out. We know we have to keep dividing a number until it becomes 0. So we can use a while loop to check for this condition. Inside the loop, we do two things. One, of course, we divide the number by 10. Second, we need to keep the track of the number of times we do this. Let's use a variable. Count that starts from 0, and inside the loop, every time we divide, we increment the count. Finally, we come out of the loop and print the count, which is nothing but count of digits in that number.